Hello, friends. Are you ready to count with me? Let's learn numbers from 1 to 10. Let's go. 1 apple. 1 apple in a hand. 2 shoes. 2 shoes on the floor. 3 ducks. 3 ducks in the pond. 4 balls. 4 balls on the table. 5 fingers. 5 fingers on one hand. 6 girls. 6 girls dancing. 7 candles. 7 candles on fire. 8 flowers. 8 flowers. 9 people. 9 people on the screen. 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.